Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of hotels.com. We click on settings, then we'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about hotels.com. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.